Hello, my name is Ron WEINGARTZ. I'd like to talk to you today about what to look for when purchasing a leaf blower. First off, there's two very important features when looking for a leaf blower. One is air speed and the other is air volume. The air speed is what you need to move the lighter debris and move it a good distance, and the air volume is what you need the extra volume for piling the heavy debris, like heavy leaves as an example. So having a lot of speed without volume isn't going to help for heavier leaf removal, and vice versa. If you're blowing lighter material, you need the higher air speed. So the two work hand in hand. Blowers are available in gas and electric. Electric is an excellent option for blowing lighter debris, light leaves, blowing clippings off the sidewalk after mowing. Very lightweight, easy to handle. In your typical electric blowers, because they are a high-speed motor, they have excellent air speed, but they don't have the volume of air that many of your gas blowers would have. There's many excellent options, excellent brands in the electric powered units. As you move into the gas units are available in different size displacement engines. They can run a larger diameter fan to give you increased performance. Your entry-level machines, there again, they pick up a little more weight than the electric, but they're still fairly light. The gas-powered, most manufacturers now offer an excellent gas-powered machine. Some other things to look for in the gas handheld is typically you'll start off with your base unit, which will perform excellent. As you move into your you'll get into a larger displacement engine. Many times you'll have anti-vibration systems to help absorb the engine vibration for continuous operation. And another nice feature to look for is a trigger lock. If you run an extended period of time, you can lock the trigger in place so you don't have to squeeze the trigger for extended use. Another very popular option is basically a backpack unit. They'll run they start in the backpack units with the engine size comparable to a large handheld, but with a backpack, it's basically you're supporting all the weight on your back, so you're not carrying that weight if you're using for extended periods of time. As you go into the backpacks, because you are supporting the weight on the back, you can go into much larger units. This is what a lot of times you'll find your commercial operators going with, but there's also many homeowners that are going to this type of unit as well. Run considerably larger engine, much larger fan, so many times you'll pick up anywhere from 30 to 70% more power than a conventional handheld unit. Things to look for in a backpack. There again, because it is a larger unit, you want a good rubber-mounted isolation system to help absorb some of the shock load with the engine vibration. Some other features, you either have the throttle out on the tubes, or you'll have the throttle on the side hand control. Really, this is a matter of personal preference, which one you're more comfortable with. Many blowers are available, offer that as an option with either choice, depending on the operator. In the backpacks, they'll start, actually they range in size to the smaller, say light commercial use, into the larger professional series. There again, to give you more power for if you have a lot of heavy leaves, but you also do pick up some weight, so you want to look at to make sure it's comfortable on your back, so you don't have something that's too big for you to handle. And there again, there's many excellent manufacturers of backpack blowers. Most all of your handheld gas and electric do offer a vacuum system. The vacuum system can be easily converted from a blower to a vacuum. So if you want to vacuum the leaves many times out of your shrub beds, things like that, excellent choice. And you do get some shredding action, so the leaves are more. You get more leaves into the bag. From there, we go into the larger push-type blowers. These are powered by a much larger engine, typically on 3 wheels. You want to look for something with larger wheels so to roll through the uneven terrain of a lawn. Another big advancement in the push blowers, because they are a heavier machine, there's companies like Billy Goat that have gone to a plastic housing and a plastic impeller. Considerably dropping the weight, and yet they can run a larger fan size to develop more speed and more volume. What these would be used is really more for commercial applications. If you have a lot of heavy leaf removal, these will help blow those into larger, if you're looking to windrow, for example, or blowing them out in the street for leaf pickup. So this will really be for much heavier application. And it gives you a little bit of rundown on what's available in blowers.